Hello, Literacy Workshop students. This is Mrs. Hulse, and I'm going to be introducing to you your project that you're going to be working on during quarter 3 in Literacy Workshop classes. So, you're going to have a new Google Classroom to join for this class. If you haven't done that yet, you will see it'll show up. You will have received an invitation, and you'll just click the join. This will be set up exactly like your other Google Classrooms. Right now, you will see that there's not very much in it, but there will be as we move on. And we're going to be calling items that you're going to be doing modules. Think of a module as an activity or activities you would complete during class time. So these modules are to be completed when you actually have literacy workshop on those certain letter days. If you don't complete the activities during that class session, then you would work on those things for homework. But you do not have to complete these modules ahead of time. Also, if the due dates are a little off for this, don't worry about late work and things like that. We're going to try to give you plenty of time to do things, but this is also new for us, so we'll be tweaking things as we go along. So you may be asking yourself, well, wait a minute. What am I going to be working on a project on? What's my topic? And that's what I'm going to go over right now. So for this assignment, you're going to be looking at social issues. And that's you're going to be writing a research paper arguing a point of view about a social issue. So, what is a social issue? Social issues are items that are important to many people. They are often things that can be emotional and can cause a lot of conflict, things that are debatable. There's lots of different opinions on these issues. There's lots of facts to consider, and facts are going to be everything that this assignment is going to be rooted in. There also are lots of stakeholders. Stakeholders refers to the different people who are affected by these issues. And ultimately, these problems and these issues are really difficult to solve. If you take a look at the graphic here, you may get some ideas as to some social issues. So, over the course of this lesson and this module 1, we are going to be talking about different social issues that you're going to look at topics, and we're going to try to get you guys to pick 2 in this initial lesson, 2 social issues you're interested in learning in. That's it for video 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Miss Rayola, Miss Bludnicki, Mrs. Hulse, myself, or Mr. Musco, the other librarian in the library.